Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to see file activity in a Google Drive on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here of course you just have to open your Google Drive applications and now just choose the file that you want to see for the activity. And also here, make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet, guys. And for example, I'm gonna see for this file activity, just tap on this three dots icon. Now in this pop-up, you just have to scroll it down until we'll find out here the option which is details and activity. Just tap on it. And at the bottom here, we can see for the activity, guys. As you can see here, I've made for the edits for the file. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.